Now I'll take my charcoal block. So we have the different type of exercises for which we use a different charcoal. But I'm only going to use this set of charcoal today. So let's see how we can do. So I'm using the flat surface of this charcoal. So I am not doing like this. I am using the flat. So if you want to cover the bigger area, just go like this. Okay, in this way, what will happen? You will not get the hard strokes on your sheet, because hard strokes are always, it's a kind of a struggle to blend. So always go with the flat. So I am just using the flat area of my charcoal. So it's a random, I'm not thinking, there is nothing in my mind that what I'm going to prepare. So it's just a technique I'm sharing. So let's use a hand first, and you can see I'm going in a circular motion here. And my hand is, I'm not putting much pressure because we don't want to disturb the fiber of a sheet. So you can see how smoothly I'm blending. You should feel the relation between your paper and your hands. So until and unless you will not make the good relation with your paper, so your paper will not give you the good results. So always make sure that always be very gentle, and just try to play with your paper. So I'm trying to get the smooth gradient here. So in this way, I can, so you have to be little bit patient with the charcoal also. So I'm using the cartridge sheet here. Charan, I will be showing you how to use the eraser. Just wait. So you can see the blending I have done here. Yeah, so Bristol papers are also just like the cartridge sheet. They are a bit more smoother than cartridge sheet. So if you want to use the Bristol paper, it's also good. So it depends how you want your artwork. So if you are looking for the texture, more textures in your artworks, so you can go for the heavy paper. And if you want the smoothness in your art, then you can work on a cartridge sheet. So it's not like that you want to go for the expensive sheets. I have given orders in this same this cartridge sheet. So it's all about your art. Paper doesn't matter, and at the end we can fix it with the fixative. So if you are a beginner, just start with the cartridge sheet, because we want to learn the techniques. We are not here for going with the expensive brands. Don't go with the expensive brands and what charcoal I'm using. Just find the things whatever you have around you, and just look for the cheaper ones, because we are in learning process. Even I'm in learning process. I will never say that I'm the professional artist. No, I'm also the learner. I'm also I have started my journey, and then I slowly build and try to improve my techniques, and still I'm stick to the cartridge, and it's just giving me the wonderful results. So you can see the blending here. And now if I want to add more depth into the painting, I can again add charcoal. So like I am some places, I'm just randomly adding. and I will blend with my finger, because blending with the finger gives you the more quick results. And if you are not like you don't want to get your hands dirty, so you can use the different type, like the cotton I have shown you, and the brush technique I have shown you. So we can use the tools like the stumps we can use. So it's up to you. And this is the stage where we need to spend more time, because if the first layer is not properly blended and you can't see the smoothness in your first layer, then it will not give you results. So always just give some time and just pen in your first layer. Because if you want to create the bigger pieces and if you are looking for the good result, then always give some time and be patient. So you can see here. Now what I'll do, just I will use my eraser here. So this is just a normal 1 rupee eraser, Natwas eraser. And I'm going to cut this. And what I will do, so this is the one of the techniques I'm sharing here. So I will use a flat surface now. Okay. And what I will do, I will go round and round. And I will add some lights. So if we are applying this in a harder, this darker area, then that it will take more time, because we have applied the more charcoal layer here. And in the middle section, I have not applied that much charcoal. That means it will easily get lifted. Or we are not just lifting the charcoal at this point, we are just blending. And in this circular motion, what will happen? You will get the smooth shade here. So this one single eraser can even create a painting. You just need to learn the technique, how to use the eraser. So can you see the depth and the different type of shades I have created, the different values I have created with a single this charcoal block and the eraser. Okay. Now, if I want the more light into my work, so that means lightning is like a more dark and the more light. When you keep both the things close to each other, then suddenly your paintings get pop. Okay. So you can see I'm trying to add more light and I'm still going flat. I'm not using the edges here. So and I will make sure that I don't want to create any sharp edges here. So I'm blending very smoothly. So you can feel that it's a kind of going deep, like you can feel the path here and the type of a tunnel. So there is nothing in my mind. I'm just trying to show the different type of possibilities. So I'm still using my flat eraser. And in this way, I can go out and little bit I can create some effects here. So I'm coming from, first of all, I'm applying in the middle area and then slowly I'm shifting to the this area, outer area. Okay.